Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a review on this 3D printed airplane, and it is called the Nucking futz. Nucking futz, a play on words, if you know what that is. But anyway, this is 3D printed, and this is printed with Polymaker's PLA. It's not lightweight PLA, just regular PLA. Now, the STL files for this, they're free, and you go on Cults 3D and you find them there, and I'll have a link down in the description where you can download the files for this. But this is a pylon plane, pylon racer plane, and I went ahead and 3D printed it. Now, this is the fuselage here, and it's single wall. Let's start looking at somehow they designed this. It's single wall, and it's sort of thick. This is two pieces here. I don't know if you can see the color difference in this, but this is two pieces here. And the back half is thinner, and the front half is thicker. The front half, I have to guess, that's probably about 2 millimeters thick, and the back half is probably less than 1 millimeter thick. And so, designing this in CAD is not very difficult to do. You could do this several ways. If you can use a form to do this, or you can draw out the formers, each former shape if you want to do it that way. And there's no firewall in here. And you can print it without the firewall. That's up to you. And so you can make your own firewall to mount your motor and put it in here. And that's just one of the profiles for this front that comes with the downloads when you download to put that in here. And then I went ahead and cut out a light plywood little piece back here to go on to my motor here, and then the motor will go in here, and then I have to just epoxy that in there. And yeah, or you can print it with the firewall in here, and this one here has the firewall inside of here. And I'd rather have the firewall inside because the motor, you don't have to get the thrust angle and everything, trying to get that straight. It's already in here. So I'll just go ahead and mount this motor up to here. And like I said again, this is not a very hard plane to design. And I'd say the wing profile of this airplane is probably the most important thing of this. Let's take a look at more of this stuff. Like, here's the center section here. Again, this is a little hollow. Well, not really. It's a solid piece also. And not difficult to model. And it has holes up here for cooling to go in here to cool the battery on the side there, like this one does also right here. Now if you go back a couple of my videos, earlier videos, I showed the assembly of this. It's a little bigger one, but it's the same plane. And this one's just a little smaller, but the other one's just a little bigger. And this, but like I said, it's the same plane. And this takes two servos, one for the ailerons and one for the elevator. And this doesn't have a rudder. It just has some ailerons and an elevator. Let's take a look at how the wings are designed. Now these are printed with no infill in them. So these here, the internal structure is the diamond configuration again, like I showed you guys how to do on my channel earlier, a couple of videos back, how to put the diamond configuration in here in internals. And that's how that's done also. So some of the planes that I've been showing you on my channel here, they all have this diamond configuration type thing going on. And also, I forgot to say, like here, the fuselage. Let's see, which is the next section here, which is this one. Now this is designed so this slips over here and slides together like that. So that gives the strength too. And then you just use the CA glue and glue around there and everything, get everything nice and tight. So each section is done like that. There's the next section here, same thing. This slides in here, just have to trim a little of this. Just trim this a little around here because I haven't done that yet. And this will just slide in here as well. And I think I showed you guys also how to go about making this so you can slide the pieces together in your airplanes. Now, if you're new to CAD and modeling, I would suggest modeling something like this because it's very simple and straightforward. It's not difficult to do. And if you're new to 3D printing, I would also advise to do something like this because the 3D printing this is very simple. There's no really adjustments you need to do in your slicer program. Basically, you just download your STL file into your slicer and set everything. Even if you just leave your settings alone, all you have to do is change your wall line count to one wall and 0 infill, and pretty much it will print perfect, out like this. So there's no really tinkering with the settings in your Kira slicer. And yeah. So other things that, let's take a look at the horizontal stab. It's done the same way as the wings are done, same way. Internal structure drawn similar to the wings. It's just a different shape. These are squares inside of here instead of a diamond shape, but no problem. Then it even has propellers. You can 3D print your propeller also. So yeah. So this is a really nice design. Even it has, now to put your wings together, let's take a look here. Make sure we got the right parts here. Okay. You print these. Now, it talks about using carbon fiber, but if you can't get the right size carbon fiber or you don't want to use carbon fiber, you can 3D print these and put them in and put your wings together and then glue them together like that. And yeah, so, but one thing, when you print these, here, just make sure that you print them flat down like this, and don't print them standing straight up. Because if you print them standing straight up, you can just snap them easily, but this way the strength is longitudinal, and so you can't snap these in this direction, and that's what you want on the wings. Yeah. But like I said, this just takes 2 servos, aileron, and elevator, and just a cheap little motor, something like FPV motor, or not FPV motor, but quadcopter motor. And I'm using, here's a 2500 kilovolt motor, and this one's made by Sunfun. And this plane will probably do 100 miles an hour, 80 to 100, and dependent on the whatever motor you use, but the size of the plane probably will make it look like it's flying a lot faster than that, but probably fly about 80 to 100 miles an hour. So yeah. But anyway, I will have the link so you can download this. And I forgot the name of the guy who designed this, but there are a lot of videos here on YouTube of people building this plane and how it flies and everything. Also, people have done modifications to it, so there's quite a bit of things you can do with this airplane. And yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And again, if you like my videos, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps my channel here. And hit that like button as well, because it helps my channel grow. And also, I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. And both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look and at things. And upcoming on my channel, I will be doing more reviews on designs of these 3D printed airplanes. I've got a lot of files for 3D printed airplanes, and I just want to show you guys, you know, like these here, the structures and all the stuff, how those are designed in case you want to buy the files for it and stuff like this. But this one's free. It's not designed by me. I can't remember the name of the guy who designed it, but I will leave a link down in the description, so you can go over there and have a look and download it. And also you can look at other videos of this on YouTube here. And so yeah, but that's going to do it for this video, folks, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.